Question 21. Equal amounts of a liquid metal at the same temperature are poured into three molds made by steel, copper and aluminum. The shape of the cavity is a cylinder with 15 dia. The size of the molds are such that the outside temperature of the molds do not increase appreciably beyond the atmospheric temperature during solidification. The sequence of solidification in the mold from the fastest to slowest is: we have been given thermal conductivity of all the three substances, specific heat and density of all the three substances. So in this question we have to find the solidification time from fastest to slowest. Now we know thermal diffusivity, that is alpha, that is K by rho Cp. So this alpha is actually the rate at which the heat is being transferred to the system. So more the alpha, fastest will be the solidification. So let us find alpha for all the three. So alpha of steel will be K is given as 60.5 upon rho is 7854 into 434. That comes out to be 1.77 into 10 power minus 5. Alpha of copper will be 401 divided by 385 into 8933. That comes out to be 1.165 into 10 power minus 4, and alpha of aluminum is equal to 237 divided by 903 into 2700. That is 9.72 into 10 power minus 5. So maximum alpha is of copper, then comes aluminum, and finally steel. So fastest will be copper, then aluminum, then steel. So option C is correct.